Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Bedre, nursing tutor, Index Nursing College and Hospital, इंदौर। मेरा टॉपिक है मेनिंजाइटिस। Introduction of meningitis. A serious disease in which there is inflammation of the meningitis caused by the viral or bacterial infection and marked by the intense headache and fever, sensitivity to light and muscular rigidity. Definition: meningitis is usually caused by a viral infection, but can also be bacterial or fungal. Fungal vaccine can prevent some form of the meningitis. Meningitis, normal meningitis, डायग्राम दिया हुआ है अपने पास। एक ये है नॉर्मल मेनिंजाइटिस एंड इन्फेक्टेड मेनिंजाइटिस का कॉसेस। Viral infection are the most common cause of the meningitis, followed by the bacterial infection and rarely fungal and parasitic infection. Bacterial meningitis: Streptococcus pneumonia, Neisseria meningitis, Haemophilus influenza, and Listeria monocytosis. Content: viral meningitis, chronic meningitis, pulmonary meningitis, and parasite meningitis. Risk factor: speaking vaccination risk rises for anyone who hasn't completed the recommended childhood adult vaccination such as most cause of the viral meningitis occur in the children younger than age 5. Bacterial meningitis is common in those under age 20. Care facilities are at great risk of the meningococcal meningitis. This is the probably because the bacterial is spread through the respiratory route and spread quickly through large group. Pregnancy increases that risk of the Listeria, an infection caused by Listeria bacteria which may also cause meningitis. Listeria increases the risk of the miscarriage, stillbirth and the premature delivery. Compromised immunity system: IIDs, alcoholism, diabetes, use of the immunosuppressant drugs and other factors that affect your immune system also make you more susceptible to meningitis. पैथोफिजियोलॉजी में है बैक्टीरियल enters blood stream trauma, then irritation the muscular surface and activity, then breakdown of the normal brain, then cross the blood-brain barrier, proliferated in the CSF, inflammation of the meningitis. Symptoms है possible sign and the symptoms in anyone older than the age of the 2 includes sudden high fever, इसमें अचानक से बुखार आ जाता है, स्टिफ नेक गर्दन, सीवियर हेडेक दैट सीम्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल, हेडेक विथ नोजिया और वोमिटिंग, सिर दर्द और बुखार भी होता है इसमें, confusion or difficulty containing, seizures, sleeping or difficulty walking, सोने में और चलने में दिक्कत होती है, sensitive to light, no appetite or thirst, skin rash, sometimes such a meningococcal meningitis. Contain symptoms of the meningitis. सेंट्रल में है हेडेक, इलेक्ट्रेड एंड मेंटल स्टेटस. ईयर्स में होता है फोनोफोबिया, आइज में फोटोफोबिया, नेक में है स्टिफनेस होता है, सिस्टोमेटिक हाई फीवर, ट्रंक म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन्स एंड एक्सट्रीमेंटली इफ मेनिंजाइटिस फोकल इन्फेक्शन. डायग्नोसिस इवैल्यूएशन है. डायग्नोसिस इवैल्यूएशन फीवर, स्किन इशू, इंक्रीज्ड हार्ट रेट, नेक स्टिफनेस, रिडक्ट कॉन्सिनेशंस. कंटेंट blood cultures identity, bacteria in the blood bacteria can travel from the blood to brain, and meningitis and the pneumonia among other can cause both sepsis and meningitis. A complete blood count with the different is the general index of the IT. Check the number of red and white blood cells in your blood. White blood cells fight infection. The count is usually elevated in the meningitis. Chest X-ray. Chest X-ray can reveal the presence of the pneumonia, tuberculosis of the fungal infection. Meningitis can occur after pneumonia. CT scan of the head may show problem like brain abscess or the intracranial pressure. Bacteria can spread from the sinus to the meningitis. मैनेजमेंट में देखते हैं अपन बैक्टीरियल मेनिंजाइटिस, फंगल मेनिंजाइटिस, पैरासाइटिक मेनिंजाइटिस, वायरल मेनिंजाइटिस एंड क्रोनिक मेनिंजाइटिस. बैक्टीरियल मेनिंजाइटिस में होता है रिक्वायर्ड इमीडिएट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, अर्ली डायग्नोसिस एंड treatment will prevent brain damage and death. Bacterial meningitis is treated with intravenous antibiotics and steroids. There is no aseptic antibiotics for bacterial meningitis. It depends on the bacterial involvement. Fungal meningitis is treated with the antifungal agents. Parasitic meningitis may either involve treating just the symptoms of attempting to treat the infection directly. Depending on the causes, this type may get better without antibiotics treatment. If it runs, however, your doctor may try to treat the infection itself. Viral meningitis may resolve on its own, but some cause of the viral meningitis will be treated with intravenous antiviral medication. Chronic meningitis is treated by treating the underlying causes first, such as fungal infection or an autoimmune issue such as rheumatoid arthritis. Complications are hearing loss. Complications में होता है hearing loss, memory difficulty, learning disabilities, brain damage, gait problems, seizures, kidney failure, shock and death. Prevention है wash your hand, practice good hygiene, stay healthy and cover your mouth. Wash your hand. Carefully hand washing help prevent in the spread of germs such children to wash their hand after, especially before eating and after using the toilet. Toilet spending time in the crowded public place are the betting animals, so them how to thoroughly and thoroughly wash and rinse and hands. Practice good hygiene. Don't share drink, food, straw, eating. Stay healthy. Maintain your immune system by the getting thought, rest, exercising regularly, and eating a healthy diet with plenty of the fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Cover your mouth. When you need a cough or sneeze, be sure to cover your mouth and nose. Vaccination. Vaccination, some form of bacterial meningitis, are preventable with the following vaccination: Haemophilus influenzae type B, hepatitis B vaccine, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine, meningococcal conjugate vaccine. Thank you.